to all students. Today we are going to discuss again class 12th biology chapter 29 chemical coordination in human, and today's topic is thyroid related disease and second is parathyroid gland. So first topic is thyroid related disease. Students, thyroid is an endocrine gland. Next, it located in throat part, and thyroid is a largest endocrine gland. In present time, many or several disease related to thyroid gland. First is hyposecretion of thyroxine. It is hormone. It means less. It means to secrete. When the less secretion of thyroxine, it is called hyposecretion. First disease is goiter disease. Once again, first is goiter disease. Students, a goiter is an enlarged thyroid gland. A goiter is an enlarged thyroid gland. Next is it mainly occur in the people of mountain region because the water of that region is lack of iodine. So first disease is goiter. In this disease, thyroid gland become enlarged. Next, mostly or mainly this disease are found in mountain regions because in this region or mountain region water is lack of iodine. Next is Hashimoto disease. Students, it is a autoimmune disease. It means sometimes human cells to attack another human cells and to kill them. So Hashimoto is a autoimmune disease. Or disorder. It is main point. Next is medicines taking during the treatment of hyposecretion. So human body to identify to medicine as a antigen. Students, it is foreign particles. Once again, medicine taking during the treatment of hyposecretion. So human body to identify to the medicine as a antigen, and human immune system to makes antibodies. These antibodies destroy the thyroid gland, destroy the thyroid gland. It is also called suicide of thyroid gland. Suicide of thyroid gland. Students, what is suicide of thyroid gland? When taking the medicine during treatment of hyposecretion of thyroxine, so human body to identify the medicine as an antigen, and the immune system activate and makes antibodies. These antibodies destroy the thyroid gland. This phenomena is called suicide of thyroid gland. Next is cretinism. It is a disorder of thyroid gland. Hyposecretion of thyroxine in child stage. So the child is low intelligence, abnormal skin. Next is mental retardation and stunted growth. It means dwarf, stunted growth. These child or children called cretins. Next, their gonads are not developed. Next is myxedema. hyposecretion in child stage. Next, hyposecretion in adult stage. Hyposecretion of thyroxine in adult stage. Hair falls, memory loss, and next is less reproductive capacity. So adult human to infect to cause myxedema disease. Next is hypersecretion of thyroxine. It means excess. First is exothalamic disease. Exothalamic disease. It means external. Students, exo it means external, thalamic it means eye. It means in this disease eye come out in external side. It means in this disease or in this disorder, deposition of mucus surrounding to eyelids so eyes come outside. Next disease is Plumer disease. Plumer disease. Students, in this disease, once again, in this disease, formation of tumor in thyroid gland. In this disease, formation of many tumors in thyroid gland. Next topic is parathyroid gland. First of all, figure of or structure of parathyroid gland. Students, this is trachea or windpipe. It is accessory respiratory organ in humans. Anterior part of windpipe of trachea is larynx. It is sound producing organs. Next, trachea or windpipe to have C-rings. Next, in both side windpipe found a lobule-like structures. It is called thyroid gland. In thyroid gland or is thyroid gland to have parathyroid gland. First, origin endodermal. Next, number 1 2 3 4, it means 2 pair. Next, location inside thyroid gland. Next is color. Color is red. So first is origin, is endodermal. It means originate by endoderm germ layer. Next is number 2 pair. It means 4. 1 2 3 4. Next is color is red. Next is hormone. Hormone is parathormone hormone or PTH. Hormone is PTH. It is also known Cowlip hormone. Students, proper learn the hormone of parathyroid gland is Cowlip hormone. It is also known parathormone hormone. It means parathormone. Next is function of PTH or Cowlip hormone. First is regulates the level of phosphate and calcium in blood. Next is it forms to the vitamin D and bone formation. It help to forms the vitamin D and bone formation. Next is hyposecretion of Cowlip hormone or PTH. So disease is hypocalcemic tetany. Students, tetany is a specific disease. All of you proper learn this disease. In this disease or disorder, once again, in this disease or disorder, the amount of calcium decrease and increase the phosphate in blood. So human infect a specific disease, tetany disease. Next is hypersecretion of PTH or Cowlip hormone. Hyper, it means excess. In hypersecretion condition, calcium ion remove from the bones and goes into the blood. So bones become soft. So bones become soft, hollow, and fragile. So bones become soft, hollow, and fragile, and this disease is called osteoporosis. Osteo, it means bone. Porosis, it means process. It means pore. It means formation of pore in bones. It is called osteoporosis. It is a bones disease. In this disease, bones soft, hollow, and fragile. So thanks. Have a nice day.